Hi students, good evening. Hope you are all doing good. Today this is a special episode for 10th board exam CBSE students. Particularly it's starting from February 20th. So we want to help you out in this CBSE, how to crack it and what are the facilities available from Doctors Education Trust. I am Mrs. Subha Vardarajan, Director Academics of Competitive Edge Academy. See, we have been here for past 6 to 7 years. We are helping out all the CBSE students. We have tied up with some big top schools and we are helping out the top schools also. You can visit our website www.ce.academy. So all the schools getting benefited out of this. So as CBSE board exam is round the corner, February 20th it is starting. We want to help you out, all the CBSE students, to how to approach the CBSE exams, board exams, particularly your core subject, maths and science section. See, there are lots of students who were asking queries. When we addressed scoremore workshops, generally we do scoremore workshops in CBSE schools. We have done it absolutely free of cost. Like to address them with how to approach the case study based questions, how to approach the assertion reasoning based questions, and how to approach the 2-mark questions, which is the competency based questions. These are the tips which we give it through our expert faculties. But wherever it is possible, we have done it live with offline classes. But there are some facilities which is available with us, which we are doing it for the exclusively those who want to score well in their board exams. Today we have taken up for class 10th, further we will also do it for class 12th. Today let us discuss about how we were planning for the CBSE board exams class 10 students. We are planning out 3 mock tests for maths and 3 mock tests for science students actually. This is not only taking up the mock test, but we are also followed by it. We are also planning to have a doubt clearance session with our expert faculties. So we are planning to have a special session for the numericals. These are the places where the students do not know how to approach it actually. Like they study well, they know the concept, but when they want to apply it in the question, they're not knowing how to apply it in the questions actually. And problem solving is not possible by them because not much of problem solving is happening in the schools. Though they are good in concepts, they know how to apply it. There are some problems which is tricky, which are expected to be very tricky in the CBSE exams. Particularly case based questions, the lots of conceptual and competency based questions are approached. So these competency based questions, unless until they do lots of problem solving, they will not be able to do the sums which is asked in the board. So what we have done is we have resourced some expert faculties who are working with almost 15 to 20 years of work experience they've got, and they have given us some questions. They've given us some question papers. They are also part of the board. Actually, they have also given it for some schools, which we have requested them, and they have supplied us some questions and with the question papers and model papers. Based on this, they have assessed almost 100 to 120 papers they have got, and out of that we have given the best of the 3 mock test papers we have selected, and 3 mock tests for maths and 3 mock tests for science, which we are planning to do starting from 31st with tie-up schools. We have tied up with some schools like SAN Academy and DAV Adambagam and SBOA and these schools. So these schools we will be doing it free of cost for these students. And other schools, actually, there is a very nominal fees which we are planning to charge them. It is only $299 per mock test. That is 3 mock tests of maths and 3 mock tests of science, which is the paying. You need to pay only $299 actually. Okay, the description box we have given the detailed info. You can just check with the description box, and we are also provided with the contact numbers. Please go through it. What is it going to be different in the sense? Generally, these schools, whatever they provide, you will not know where you are making mistakes. Like for example, there is a question paper given to you in the mock paper or model paper given in the school. They will correct it and give it to you. But generally, teachers will not find time to tell you where you are going wrong actually. Why the mark was reduced actually. For example, a 5-mark question, they would have given you only 3 marks. How did you lose the 2 marks? Actually, there's very rarely the teachers are able to tell you. But here, we are providing with the solution, and why the 2 marks went wrong also we will be able to discuss with your students actually. Okay. See, these faculties will tell you that this is what we are expecting, why this 5-mark question has contained only 3 marks. And 2 marks, where did it go? What is it the CBSE board is expecting it actually? Okay, these are the things which will give you a clarity about where do you go wrong, how to write it, how to present it, so that you score well in your board exams actually. This we are doing it only for maths and science, and we're starting in 31st, but you can, even further down you can do it before 20th. Any day you can come and take it up. It is not mandatory that you have to start with 31st, but wherever we are tied up with, we are planning to do it from 31st onwards. Particularly for SAN, for KKN and for SAN Pallikarnai, we are starting from 31st, and we have also circulated the timetable to the students. So make sure you take the advantage of this. And there is a evaluation done by the faculty also. We are providing with a drop box in some places in Chennai, which again the description box give you the address and the where you have to drop your answer keys, so that we will correct it and tell you that this is the score you have got it, and this is what is the mistake you have done it. The clear clarity will come to you, and make sure that once you have finished your exam, please use the drop box. Okay, some facility is not available. I don't have the Dropbox facility. It is too far and all those stuff. If you are feeling it, you can also send it through courier to us through our address, or you can send me a photocopy of it. Actually, you have to take a snapshot and send it through WhatsApp to us, so that we correct it and give it to your students. So make use of it. There is a Google form available. There is also a link available. There is also a QR code available. So in whichever way you want it, make sure that you can contact us, so that we will be able to reach you on time. And this 15-20 days is a very crucial time for you. Though you're 10th standard, actually this is a crucial time for you to make sure that you score well in your maths and science to get the first group, actually. Okay, and along with that, we are also planning a bridge course. Actually, bridge course in the sense, those who are planning to take up science in class 11 science group, like say maths, physics, chemistry, biology, or maths, physics, chemistry, computer science, or pure science, whatever related to science, we are going to take it up. You have almost 2 months time holidays you have got. So we don't want to make sure that you waste your 2 months. Actually, we are planning to have a 15 days bridge course for the students. Wherever we are tied up with, whichever schools we are tied up with, this bridge course is going to be absolutely free of cost. But other students who are taking the admission with us for the class 11th, because again I'm saying you, the class 11th is being handled by a very top end faculty, or ex-faculties they've come from the all top institute and joined us. So they will guide you not only for your NEET or JEE or any other entrance exams, but also for your board. And most of our students who have come here have scored very well in their board also. So make use of this bridge course also, students. So this intimation will come to you once you finish your board, actually. Okay, because those who have joined us, actually we will clearly mention you when the board is getting over, when the bridge course is going to start. Probably if you are planning any vacation, mostly you will come back before the school starts. So June first week or June 1st the schools is expected to open. So you may have your bridge course tentatively by May 20th or 25th may start, and it will go on till first week of June. So this will be very helpful for you students. Further follow this for channel, subscribe it, like it, you can share it with your students forum if you have, actually probably can share it. Parents, please do share it. All these things is we are not charging you anything. It's a very nominal charge, which is 299. It is being paid for the correction to the teachers, because as far as the correction goes, we are not charging you anything. But this nominal fees is paid to the faculty who correct it and give it to us and report it to us, actually. So this is only to make sure that students get a proper report as far as the board exams goes. Please make use of it. Thanks a lot, students. I hope this information will help you a lot. Thank you, students.